Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how get the how many times can you blink in 10 seconds filter for TikTok. It's really easy to do. The one thing is you do have to start on the Instagram application, so we'll head there first. And once you're on the Instagram application, you want to search for an account called Kriton.g, so Kriton.g. Search for the account, click on it, click on the filters icon, and then you will see the fast blinker filter right there. So you just want to click on that really quick. Then once you're on that, you want to click on the try it option. And then all you do is record a video for yourself. So just really quickly like this. And then once that's done, you want to click on the save option right beside the little X button there at the top. Click on that and it'll save it to your camera roll. Once you've done that, you can exit out of Instagram and head over to TikTok. Then on TikTok, you just want to click on the plus option at the bottom and click on the upload your own picture, so the bottom right. Then you want to click on the one that you just made, click on next, and then next again, so next again. And then you'll see that you have the video that you made on Instagram with that filter. Now you can post it to TikTok. It's that easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with the video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.